Welcome to another episode of Unapologetically Gomes. Today is a different kind of video. We are going to show you the process of putting in aqua blue stonescapes in our pool. So as you can see here, it is quite the production to put in stonescapes. You see he's wearing special shoes there, and it was really neat to watch. Now, the reason Tim and I made this video is because when we were doing research, we couldn't find a whole lot to really show us what it was going to look like when it was done. The depth of your pool plays a big part in it, and our pool is fairly shallow. Most of it's 4 feet. At the end, we try to show you what it looks like in the shallow end and in the deeper end. The deepest part of our pool is only 5 feet deep. So if you have a deeper pool, it's going to look even more different. But I have to say we're really happy with the turnout. We love it. We're very, very happy and pleased with it. I think it's beautiful. It's not as smooth as I thought it was going to be. So, you know, that's about the only part. I really expected it to be much smoother, but it is still feels much better on my hiney and my bathing suit than the plaster does. So there you have it. I hope anyone making a decision between stonescapes and plaster or aqua blue finds this video informative. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Hit the subscribe button now.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button.